Siemi, and greetings to all my brothers and sisters in the United States of America. I'm coming to you with a message that I received from Tatanzambe yesterday, the 9th of November. During prayer, I received this word that I'm about to share with you concerning the United States of America. And it's the word that I received. I have a case against the United States of America. They have trampled down my house and have polluted my sanctuary. My people are broken and blind. They trust in something that is not. They have not learned to trust in me. They still look to the oppressor for safety. But I will turn the hornet's nest and let them sting you with a poisonous bite. I am Nzambe, who brought your fathers out of Egypt. I know your fault and shortcoming, but I remember the covenant with your fathers. Therefore, I will bring you out of Egypt again. Only return to me and be faithful. I will come in like a mighty man and cause division and separation in the great house. I take away the peace, and only unrest shall remain. Case upon case, corruption upon corruption, and they have no truth in them. Biden is by them the opening door for vindication. I will no longer watch for my anger to be manifested over this nation, this great Babylon of the United States of America. I remember, and I will punish you for your ways and the works of your hands. Don't listen to your prophets who prophesy lies to you. There will be no peace. To my people I say, put your trust in Tatanzambe. I am your truth and light. Your salvation does not come from them. There is no might nor the intention to deliver you. Beloved brothers and sisters, the Benabetu living in the United States of America, it's the word that I received from the Muanda Semi concerning the USA. Take heed, listen to it, and come to your own conclusion. The government officials are servants of sin and do according to the lust of their father, who was a murderer from the beginning, who did not abide in the truth, because there is no truth in him. When they speak, they utter lies. They speak out of the nature of their father, who is the father of all liars, and who cannot abide in the truth. So don't put your trust in the government officials, but turn to Tatanzambe and put your trust in him. Ingeta.